Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a cybersecurity incident analysis process with ThreatConnect, detailed guide step by step clearly. To build a cybersecurity incident analysis process with ThreatConnect, start by defining your objectives. Identify the key stakeholders involved in incident response, including IT, security, and compliance teams. Gather relevant documentation and past incident reports to understand your organization's specific needs. Ensure you have access to the ThreatConnect platform and create an account if you haven't already. Begin by configuring your ThreatConnect environment, focusing on setting up user roles and permissions based on team responsibilities. Once configured, integrate ThreatConnect with your existing security tools and data sources for seamless information flow. Utilize the ThreatConnect API to automate data collection from various threat intelligence sources. Create a standardized incident classification framework to categorize incidents based on severity and impact. Develop a playbook that outlines the response procedures tailored to different incident types identified in your classification framework. Incorporate threat intelligence into your analysis process by utilizing ThreatConnect's threat feeds. Use ThreatConnect's case management features to document incidents as they occur, providing a clear record for analysis and reporting. Regularly review and update your playbooks based on lessons learned from previous incidents and ongoing threat developments. Conduct training sessions with your team to ensure everyone understands the incident analysis process and their specific roles. Establish a communication plan to keep stakeholders informed during an incident and outline escalation procedures. Develop a timeline for analyzing and responding to incidents to improve efficiency and reduce response times. Continuously monitor and analyze security data through ThreatConnect to identify patterns. Once an incident has been resolved, conduct a post-incident review to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Document your findings and update your incident analysis process accordingly to refine your approach. Regularly test your incident response process through simulations and tabletop exercises to ensure its effectiveness. Leverage insights gained from these exercises to make necessary adjustments to your cybersecurity practices. Maintain an ongoing dialogue with all stakeholders to share knowledge and improve the overall incident response capability. By following these steps, you will build a robust cybersecurity incident analysis process using ThreatConnect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.